Hey foodies and Cakenistas, good morning. It's about 10 o'clock in the morning and we're at Wawa because we're going to Leesport, Pennsylvania, up near Reading. I almost said wedding, for a barbecue festival.
This is my go-to travel shirt, sorry guys.
That's why she's always wearing it whenever we travel. Cause it's easy breezy and under control.
Yeah.
So yeah, we're just coming to get some gas and some coffee. Look at her, she's dancing. Go ahead, girl. Yeah, we just made it to Mount Airy to pick up my great-grandfather. Oh,
Great uncle.
Great uncle. See, because I want to say grand uncle. My grandma's brother. He should be Unk if she's my mom. Unk. I want to see the street.
What happened?
Yeah, it looks rusty and busted now.
Yeah.
I'm wearing my comfy outfit. See, I told her she should have just honked the horn. Hi! How are you? Good. I knew you were gonna be wearing all white.
You good?
Yeah.
Where's the people?
Man, what if this was it?
They got invited to a trap.
So we made it. We heard that you can get your hand stamped for samples. Ooh, fudge bar. Look at the scenery. That is so pretty. You don't see stuff like that in the city. Uh-oh, they came, they're not playing. I'm tempted. I'm loving the truck. If I wasn't getting a tan before, I'm getting one now. I'm just looking for like some good vegetables, you know, at the barbecue. That could be a joke. Oh, if somebody has corn, there we go. Corn.
Yeah.
I just got a corn on the cob with Parmesan and mayo. That dog just scared the beans out of me. I'm gonna get some jerk chicken. I just got 2 orders of smoked wings from Sloppy Seconds. They have all these good looking sauces. Chipotle barbecue, I bet that's good. Spicy barbecue. If they have honey barbecue, I'm all in there. Bacon barbecue, that's crazy. That's a career goal and the authenticity with the hat. That looks so good.
Squad, yeah. Take a bite of everything.
Used to it, right?
Yeah. I'd be munching on it. What is this?
Oh, it's got almonds. I guess it's filled with cream.
What is this right here?
Yes, ma'am. That's a corn that's full of chocolate.
Ooh. I'll take one of those.
I know. Happy dance, happy dance. There's my happy dance.
Start a new vlog. Call it 2 Girls and a Cookie. And you and me tasting baked goods from all around the area.
I would love that.
Were you guys from down here?
Philadelphia.
Oh yeah, my girls live in Philly.
Oh,
Yeah.
Yeah, they go to Temple.
Oh, great.
16th of
The ones with the green on top.
Yes, ma'am. That's like that's a Zeppeli, and that's like a cannoli. Like, thank you, ma'am. Ma'am, you're most welcome. Sorry, that's a Zeppeli, and that's it's like a Italian cream puff.
I know that's right.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Squeeze that song.
Is it coming?
All right, there we go.
There we go.
All right.
Oh, I'm gonna do this in slow motion. Slow motion.
I need a shopping bag and a shopping cart.
You want to start in my car, yeah.
Going slow, I'm taking my time.
We're home.
Yep.
Let's see what we got. Food haul. Well, not really.
Tastes good.
Wow.
Smoked wings.
Yeah. I put peach barbecue and root beer barbecue on mine. It was good. I should have like really did it. You ready?
Girl, you better stop it, girl.
So, this flat one is a cannoli cookie sandwich. This one is called like a zepechi or zechepi, but it's basically like another type of cannoli thing with cream, and that's got cream in the middle. Really good ribs. And then my corn, that I've always wanted like corn with stuff on it. And I got mayo and Parmesan, and now I'm like, addicted. It was so good. I couldn't believe it. Do y'all like this drawing? This is, what I named him?
You're showing that drawing.
I named him something with the L. Anyway, he's got the pool in the back. He's grilling. He's using his smoker's oven thing. And he's got a special tattoo with some special initials in it. Oh, it's soft.
Do you like it?
It's almost cakey. It's very, very bready. Milk.
Too sweet.
Almost like peanut butter. Like,
You can see almost like peanut butter.
it just sticks in your mouth. I need a little something to drink just to kick the flavor off. So that's all. I'm gonna go and I'm gonna eat now. See you guys soon. This was hot because it kept getting in my hair.
Oh. Now you can take it off.
Thanks, Mom. My hair doesn't come off.
Oh.
It grows out of my head.